Yo, what up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at ya. All right, so here we have an article about Pepe and Bitcoin. Wanted to get to that. It's a couple days old, but it makes a couple of important points I wanted to relay to you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that sub. Go ahead and hit that like, help me with the algorithm, as well as bell it up. Hit that bell for notifications because some of my stuff is time sensitive and urgent. All right, now let's get into this. So this article right here is actually from Bloomberg. If you guys know about Bloomberg, it's one of the most reputable um, economics newspaper that Wall Street uses, as well as the Economist and Wall Street Journal. But Bloomberg is definitely one of the major dogs. And it says headline: Bitcoin bulls trip on a frog as Pepe meme coin frenzy signals market top. After Pepe's tokens FOMO led boom and bust, Bitcoin tumbles. At the end of the day, it's a lottery ticket, trader says. Picture of Pepe as a heart folded origami. It says a frog themed token, digital token that's only been around for a month, may be signaling pain ahead for Bitcoin bulls. Trading in meme coins, crypto assets that can be inspired by viral images and memes and attract loyal social media communities, but otherwise lack in inherent utility, soared in recent days. Leading the pack was Pepe, a new fangled amphibian themed token which sparked frenzied speculation and spawned many copycats ever since its birth in April. Pepe was obsessively promoted on Twitter before and after its launch, and it peaked at a market value of more than $1.6 billion on May 5th before reversing course and plummeting as much as 70% in the following days. According to Coin Market Cap, the ill-fated frog, which, like many meme coins, never traded higher than a fraction of a cent, even at its height, took Bitcoin and Ether down with it. Both coins have dropped about 10% since May 5th, a notable step down after 4 straight months of gains. Pepe is down 70% in a week. It has lost a billion in market cap. Life comes at you fast. And I think it's just the beginning, though, people. So that's what I'm here to tell you. Longtime crypto traders have seen this play out before. Meme coin booms typically start during frothy periods, which this one didn't really. This was it wasn't really too volatile. It was down slow from 16 to 20 to 25 to 27, 28,000 Bitcoin. So when traders whose wallets have recently gotten fat grow more willing to take an added risk, these speculators typically offload some of their Bitcoin or Ether holdings to invest in meme coins. So a craze can lead to a drawdown in the prices of the two major coins. Kyle Doan, a trader at digital asset manager Arca, said in an interview, once the meme coin frenzy fades, as it inevitably does, most traders lose their funds and have less to invest back in Bitcoin and Ether, he said. At the end of the day, it's a lottery ticket, said Don, who doesn't trade Pepe. That type of trading is basically a centralized casino. Past meme coin crazes have signaled market tops that have been followed by multi-month drawdowns in Bitcoin. Data from price tracker Dune says. For example, when Shiba Inu themed Dogecoin led a meme-based boom in May 2021, it was followed soon after by a Bitcoin sell-off that lasted into July. After a meme coin rally that same year happened in October, that was just weeks before Bitcoin reached its all-time high, after which it began a retching retreat that lasted all of last year. To be sure, Bitcoin is still up 60% since the beginning of 2023, while Ether is up 48%. And there are many other factors that play into the price action, such as the macroeconomic environment and regulatory climate. Ether's price, for example, can be hugely impacted by expectations related to the network software upgrades. But meme coin hype may be a sign of a overextended market. And this time around, the speculation has led to more disruptions on the blockchains where the coins are minted. Meme coins only became available on the Bitcoin network this year. And when these BRC20 tokens started to take off in April, they began clogging up the network and driving up transaction fees. for 2 year highs, two year highs. Ethereum, where most of the speculation takes place, still was similarly impacted, which means that customers of truly useful financial and gaming apps had to pay more as well. Most important, perhaps mom and pop traders burned by meme coins may be hesitant to re enter the market again for some time. When the buzz disappears and the hype dissipates, the value tends to plummet and investors can suffer significant losses, said Joe Rotunda, Director of Enforcement Division at Texas State Securities Board. It's like musical chairs. When the music stops, investors often can't find a safe place to land. Except investing isn't a game, losses can be far too real. And then there's a tweet by beta underscore bonk. There are two scenarios I'm preparing myself for with my Pepe bags. One, explaining to my kids that I can't afford their college because I lost my life savings to a frog. Two, explaining to my kids that they don't ever have to go to college. Hmm. Cashing out of meme coins, which many traders jump into for fear of missing out or FOMO, is typically difficult because when everyone wants to sell, there are often few takers. Everyone is feeling FOMO behavior, but it's $1 million of paper. Mariv Ozer, a fintech expert at Cornell University, said in an interview, because it's illiquid, they can't sell it. Some meme coins do have longevity. Doge and Shiba Inu have remained top 15 coins by market value, but they are the exceptions. Thousands more of the tokens have turned into barely traded zombies. That hasn't stopped the boom and bust pattern from repeating, though. I think every single meme coin trader, including me, is trading them for profit, said a Pepe Trader, who goes by Poor Dart on Twitter, and declined to provide their real name. Gamifying trading, making it fun, avoids the stress bit to a degree, but ultimately it is of course for profit only until the music stops. All right, so that is the the article. The main thing I wanted you guys though to take um from this was actually that some of these meme coins, like where was it? It's towards the very end, will remain in the top 15. And if, as you guys can see, um, Pepe is going to remain as well once it gets to that point. We're only 1 month in right now, guys. Don't forget, we are only 1 month in to Pepe. Okay, not even a month. So, and already right now, currently, here, let's check the chart for a little bit. Let's check the chart for a little bit. You know what I mean? Let me see. Where's Peps? Where is Peps? There you are. Yeah, let's come down over here. Bring it down. Ooh, and actually, look. It looks like it's about to start popping off too. Okay, here, this right here. Don't even. You can actually even erase this a little bit, but it's fine. So here we have a wedge that's forming actually. So I actually we'll see if this plays out because this looks like a bullish formation. So that being said, here, let's look at let me show you guys the chart. So look, here we are. As you guys know, there was some retrace. This was around the time that Elon tweeted the Pepe image. So you guys could see the market as a whole, though. The market as a whole is actually in the red. So if you go to by volume, even the stable coins are down. I don't know how that works out, but there it is. Down, Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, USD coin down, Binance down, Litecoin up. Actually, Litecoin. Pay attention to Litecoin because their happening is happening pretty soon. So just be aware of that. And then you have Pepe down. So this is actually pretty good though. Last 24 hours, you see Pepe has green, Tron green, and Litecoin green. So I've noticed also Tron, yeah, Tron has been moving against the current. So it seems like Litecoin and Tron have been moving against the current with Pepe ready to break out. Honestly, I was expecting Pepe's chart to look like Tron's. But you guys can see that the reason why though is when this occurred, there was so many people scared to lose the little profits or large profits that they had already secured. So they lost their bags. Look, so now if they wanted to buy in, think about that. If you sold at the bottom, now you're short your Pepe. You could have had your Pepe up here still. Do not get fudded out of your bags. All right. Well, that being said, Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, just giving you a little article, a little update, letting you guys know Pepe is here to stay. We are gonna hit $1 billion market cap. We will surpass Shiba in the short term, and we will flip Dogecoin to be the king of memes. That being said, once again, I go by Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, aka Crypto Nostradamus. Go ahead and hit that sub if you got any value from this. Hit that like to help me spread the information, and of course, bell it up because, like I like to say, I'm Bone Army, you're Bone Army, we are Bone Army, and I'm out this piece.